Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled to achieve that sleek salon-quality look at home, you're going to want to see this. I'm talking about the Gold and Hot Professional 24K Gold Pressing and Styling Comb, designed to lift, straighten, and smooth your hair with professional-level precision. This styling tool is coated with 24K gold, which isn't just a luxe touch. It actually promotes even heating across the comb, minimizing hot spots that can damage your strands. The wedge-shaped teeth glide through hair to effortlessly detangle while reducing breakage, and they let you get closer to your roots for that full, sleek finish everyone loves. With adjustable heat settings that reach up to 430-degree Fahrenheit, this comb allows customization depending on your hair type, whether you have fine, medium, or thick hair. The 8-foot swivel cord ensures tangle-free handling, making styling more convenient, especially for at-home use. In practice, I found the Gold and Hot comb easy to integrate into my routine. Since my hair is naturally medium textured, I started at a lower heat setting and gradually increased until I found the ideal temperature. The comb glided smoothly without snagging, detangling efficiently while leaving a glossy, straight finish. For those with thicker hair, it's particularly effective in cutting down styling time while still achieving professional results. I did notice that careful temperature control is key. Pushing it to the higher heat settings gave me faster results, but you'll want to be cautious to avoid any potential heat stress. One of the standout features is definitely the teeth design. They're crafted to detangle without breaking the hair, which is a huge plus for anyone prone to damage. The build feels solid, and the gold coating adds a professional touch while aiding in heat consistency. The cord is long and flexible, giving you room to maneuver without awkward angles or tangling issues. Of course, no product is perfect. While it heats quickly and styles efficiently, it's not ideal for wet hair. You must start with clean, dry hair. Also, for extremely coarse or curly hair types, multiple passes may be needed to achieve that perfectly sleek look, which could mean slightly longer styling sessions. When it comes to value, the Gold and Hot comb is reasonably priced, considering its gold coating, heat range, and professional-grade design. It sits in the mid to high range of styling tools, but for anyone seeking a salon-quality finish at home, it justifies the investment. If you're exploring alternatives, basic ceramic straightening combs are available at lower prices, though they may not offer the same even heating or root-reaching precision. Comparing it to other premium pressing combs, the Gold and Hot stands out for its combination of rapid heat-up, professional cord length, and thoughtful teeth design. Some other high-end models can be bulkier or lack adjustable temperature control, which makes this a versatile choice for a variety of hair types. If you're looking for durability, the construction is solid and built to last, with the gold plating helping maintain consistent performance over time. While I haven't interacted directly with customer service, Gold and Hot generally has a good reputation for support, which adds peace of mind for your purchase. So, is the Gold and Hot Professional 24K Gold Pressing and Styling Comb worth it? Absolutely. For anyone wanting a sleek, polished look with reduced damage risk, it's a strong performer. It's particularly great for medium to thick hair textures, anyone who styles frequently at home, and those who appreciate professional quality tools without heading to the salon. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, you can find the link to purchase this comb in the comments or description box below. If you've already tried it, drop a comment and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for your hair type. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.